I'm Dr. Betsy Lombard. I'm the Medical Director of the Blood Transfusion Services at King Edward Memorial Hospital. We're in the Blood Donor Centre, which is run by both King Edward Hospital and the Red Cross. With time, our donors have decreased and we always need new donors. We want donors to be between the ages of 18 and 70 and as healthy as possible. If you are on some medication, phone the Blood Donor Centre and speak to the nurses there, and they will tell you if you are eligible for donation or not. When a donor arrives, they are greeted, they're registered in the office, and after that they go for a hemoglobin test. Now, the hemoglobin test is to make sure that they have enough hemoglobin in their blood to donate blood, so it's for the safety of the donor. The area of the arm is cleaned and a needle is inserted. Once the needle is inserted, a specimen is taken for infectious disease testing. Now, this is basically to protect the recipient. If any of those tests are positive on the donor, they will be informed. Once the sample is taken, the blood is allowed to go into the bag that is constantly rocked to avoid any clots. A donation usually takes between 10 and 15 minutes. Once the bag has reached its weight, it will indicate on the shaker and the needle is taken out. The donor is asked to elevate their arm so that there's no bruising and no bleeding. And after a short while they will sit up for a few minutes and then be allowed to go into the refreshment area for some refreshments. Usually it's a juice and a cookie. We also have an apheresis program where we collect platelets. Platelets are usually needed for patients who receive chemotherapy, so cancer patients who are on treatment that suppress their bone marrow, patients who have received a lot of transfusions at once, so patients have been in severe accidents. Those are the most common patients that need platelets. So it's something that we need to always have on hand. The people who we prefer for the apheresis program are usually tall people with a very large blood volume. Blood is a life-saving product and you never know when you or a loved one may need it. Please become a part of our blood donation family.